Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have a laptop without any stickers on it yet. So I have a bunch of stickers here, so we can pick and choose a few stickers and make a laptop look nice. My other laptop I already have a bunch of stickers on. This one I don't. So let's show you guys what we have here in the sticker pack. It's got cool brand stickers and it's got a whole bunch of them. So we have this and this. I'll show you. I'll go through them here real quick and just kind of go through a bunch of them. We have Decals, Stussy, North Face, Toy Machine. Oops, I don't even know what a lot of these are. I think that's a team there, 7-Eleven, Santa Cruz. Boy, these are all just different brands. Pepsi, is that Ape or Rape? Another Stussy one. So we have those. Look at all these different brands you get. OF, I guess that's OnlyFans. I don't know. Obey, Levi's, Human Made. These are just some cool ones here. You got all these different brands. Converse, Adidas. I think it's, was that Bored Ape? Is that what that one is, I think? Nike, MTV backwards. Oh, Russia or something. Maybe that's what it is. Nike. Look at all these ones here. Human Made again. More of these. More. Oh, I like that MTV one. That's old school MTV. Nike. Heart, YouTube. I'm a YouTuber, so let's go ahead and put that on there. Okay, look at all these ones here. We just have everything here. Thrasher and blah, blah, blah. Air Jordan. This one here is, is that Specialized, I think, for the bike? Fendi. The Pirate Store. Ape. What is it? Dolce & Gabbana. More stuff. Vans, New Balance. Boy, you get everything here. Look at all these brands. That's great. This is so cool. You get all these different brand stickers here. And they're like the vinyl kind of ones, so they're kind of nice, so they're not going to go anywhere. Here's a nice little Vans one. Okay, so let's say we've got those. I mean, I don't know if we have to go through everything here. That's Champion. Okay, so we've got... more of them. Boy, holy mackerel, there's so many. Okay. And this, we'll just go through these real quick just so you can see them all since we're almost done anyway. Converse All-Star. Okay, Starbucks. Air Jordan. Okay, and okay, there we go. There, you've seen them all. So let's go ahead and put a couple on here. So if I wanted to put, say, YouTube on my one here, we can, or actually I'll start with, I'm gonna put this one here on just to see how it is. This is a astronaut. And let's see, how do we open these up? Okay, I'm peeling it and you can see it's got a pretty decent, sticker to it. And I will go with this. How's it go? It opens up this way, so I want people to see it that way. So there we go. And now I have a permanent sticker on my laptop. So cool. And I'll go ahead and try to organize the other ones and make them look nice and neat and everything like that. But super cool, super nice to be able to put these stickers on there, and you get all these different brand ones, so you can have anything you want in there. So very cool. I like it. Thumbs up.